Hello everyone, I'm going to do a video on how to make some extra dollars out of the cars you bring back to your workshop. So I've made a short on this and it's called use the fourth. So I'll show you what I mean. At the moment now the cursor is on the far right hand side, so we'll count that as 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've moved it to the fourth number from the right, and then what you'll do then is start making this work. And what you're looking for, again, as most of you know, the needle needs to stay in the green as much as it can, just so you can knock back the mileage. And you'll hear a crunching noise, and you will also hopefully see the needle go slow. So let's start doing this now. So you can hear like a ticking or crunching noise, and that's what you're waiting for, and the needle's going really slow, so that's perfect at the moment. And we keep on doing this now for a bit. And when we started off at 31, we're already on 29. Now the needle's moving a bit more, but it's moving so slow, so keep it at this. Different cars will do it differently. Some will move fast and some will move very slow. What we want is slowness all the time. And we're down to 28, 27 now, and the needle's still perfectly going slow. And remember, this started off at 31. So now we're starting to hear a bit of a grind and the needle's moving fast. So we carry on for a bit until, now it's going a bit more fast, and we stop there. Now we can move back now, going back to the right again, so we move 1. So we try it again very gently. It's going a bit more fast, and what you want to do is keep doing this until you just go to the tip of the red. You don't want to hit your needle into the red, because then the car will reset the mileage, and there we go. But you know, at the moment now, if I go back again to the right and gently press it again, I'm nearly touching it now where it's going to go wrong. But you know, you can see what I mean. And we started off at 31,000. We've gone now to 26. So you know, we've made roughly about 5,000 on this clock, which will probably get you a few extra dollars. But that's the way to do it, and you just keep practicing with every single different vehicle. Each one, as I said, would either be really fast at the start, so you might not be able to get much mileage back, or some might be just like this, where you start off slow and then it ends up fast. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.